And human beings are so diabolical. Human beings are so diabolical, so manipulative, so ungrateful, so callous. And do you know there was this guy I met at the alley post-COVID after the deportation of some 7 Nigerians that committed $80 million fraud. For some reasons, he confided in me that the so-called president of New Black Movement, aka Blackers in California, defrauded him some money he entrusted in him because he did not have bank accounts then. And another guy called McCarthy, the guy that's jumping around saying he will kill me, that he killed people in IMSU and killed people in Germany. And when I verified who he was in IMSU, I learned he was anti-court. And some men went to bomb the father's house when they couldn't track him and burn the father's car. And he's jumping up saying he will kill me. I mean, I'm still investigating his fraudulent activities and money laundering and doubling. And you know, this guy I picked up in the alley, put him in a shelter, took him as a confidant. I mean, what I do for people, I don't say it, not to say, talk or put it on the social media. But at this point, I think I need to set the record straight. And I fed this guy. I will buy a pan of soup because I don't cook. He will finish it. Clothing, I give him. Shoes, nothing. Gave him gig for job. Gave him gig for housing. Brought him around our people. You know, when this guy was frustrated, I wanted to go back to Nigeria. I told him, don't go, this is America. Everything will be fine. Gave him the resources he used to get his work permit. Do you know when he got his work permit, he couldn't buy one bottle of Guinness for me. Not to talk of one stick of cigarette of $1. But this is the guy I took as my own brother. When I take him around some places, people will be like, who be this one? And why they carry everybody they come around? I mean, the day he got his citizen, his work permit, the brother to Governor Peter told him, okay, since you don't have money to make men jolly, say he will buy with his own money. Let him give him whatever he has. The guy say he has responsibility in Nigeria. Sometimes I jokingly tell, oh bro, I beg give me $10, I need money to chop. He go say no get. And people being ungrateful will stop me from being good. That's who I am. That's why my name is Angel. Patrick, I'm evidenced that you told Chinedu Gebe, the guy that refused to pay for my $4,000, where I used the do movie now. He said, I'm a fair friend. I'm a fair weather friend, meaning I only come around when there's green pasture. What do you get? Where you shower? Who be your papa? You say you're an acclaimed lawyer and you're in House of Rep and you be a good man, but you can't compose a resume. I mean, I can't even sign into your phone email. If you know what you do for Nigeria, if you don't come to America. If I knew that nothing was not my career, I would have gone back to Nigeria. Now I'm due to be Attorney General because you don't act or sound like an attorney. You can't even make a simple statement in English language. But that's by the way. So as regards to 50 Cent, George, the acclaimed president of New Black Movement Los Angeles, I've given you enough time to return the money you owe me. I'm evidence you're conspiring with whoever is your fraternal brother or your friends in Gardena to harm me. I mean, you spit on me and push me at Jerry, where I was arguing with Pascal. If you're in America, me, Lord Jesse Makoko, Ozlama High Temple, is labeling New Black Movement of Nigeria, aka Blackers, terrorist group, as long as America is concerned. 50, call Obi for phone. If you get make, I know say you be Delta boy, they do all you bank carry. Where we come from, we know they do cho. I'm glad they are doing Uber. But by December, I go enter your matter, and that money, I'm not going to need them again. The way I go label say you be head of terrorist group, the tactical squad and the FBI will go call you as you know go believe them. I mean, if you have situation, you come now, you know where I live, you know where I work, you know how to get me. I mean, when we dey Unizik, you know if he shake me self. If not, be saying I'm me fair get. But pass alone now, you got to go. Because you self no get coordination. You confine them, me say they collect money from people, put them for movement. Magati tell me say in Nanticot, for America you put them for blackers. You get spare yourself if you go Nigeria. Don't tell me your matter self for next convention. Regina Daniel, congratulations for your house you bought. If really you did, if not internet sensation. But if you actually have such 500 million naira to purchase a house, is due to build a clothing brand or state-of-art factory or become a world-class producer. But you understand they are naive, and being popular and famous doesn't give somebody wisdom. It's all good. If you want to preview my documentary, Grace and Curse, you go to YouTube, only 2 times USA DV Lotto winner. If you're looking for a job, I'm here for you. Money, I don't give. I give life, protection, Jewish intuition, health. Do not talk anyhow among strangers. You can never be kidnapped in this life or be killed if you don't have issue with somebody, or if there is nobody that knows you one-on-one that sabotaged you. You have to have little jackknife, pepper spray, extra phone, avoid late nights, pay attention to life. But unfortunately, if they get you, you comply. If not, they're gonna harvest their organ. Harrison, Gawani, whatever, congratulations for the job you're doing. The easiest way to track kidnappers in Africa is through their cell phone, using drone and bank information. But the big kidnappers or the sponsors, you know who they are. God bless you.